In this video, we will showcase how a user who is both a team member and a manager can do a performance review with the Enhanced Performance Reviews feature. This new feature respects the customer's existing policy settings for the performance overview process and can be turned on via a single all-wide toggle. We will begin from a manager's perspective, in this example, Steve Pendleton. From the primary menu, select the Performance option. Select the Performance Overview under the Teams section. Here we will choose to start review for John Sheridan. Then select the desired template. These are different templates based on the type of review, such as final yearly review or regular quarterly review. In this example, we will choose the quarterly review. We are now presented with a review page. Here you can see that this review is currently only visible to me at this stage, and that it's a review for John. From here, select Show Supporting Information. This brand new sidebar shows relevant information that will make completion of the review simpler and faster, such as his feedback, objectives, and past reviews. Simply click the required area to access it. Back in the review, complete the required selections. Any changes you make will autosave as a draft, ensuring you don't lose any progress you have made within the review. Mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. Please note the field selections have been set up via admin and can be amended if required. In this example, there is an optional free text box you can add to. Here you can utilize the supporting information within the sidebar and refer to John's feedback when adding the additional notes to his review. Here you can see how many characters you have left to use, as well as the ability to add attachments here. At the bottom of the page, you can choose to discard the changes you have made, save the draft and close it, or if the review is complete, you can select to reveal it. Back within the Manager page, even though the review has been revealed, you still have the ability to edit it if required. You have now learned how to use the review page and sidebar to support the review process within Sage People. If you'd like to access in-depth training for Sage People, please visit sageu.com/sagepeople.